It's time to make wearing a mask scary again. There was a time in which a mask was the symbol of imminent robbery. Just before entering a bank, seeing someone reach for a mask and putting it on would send people running for their lives. If you had someone stopping at a gas station and placing a mask over their faces, I am sure every witness would want to call the cops. Not anymore. Nowadays, if someone is wearing a mask, people feel even safer. Halloween is around the corner. We want to start a campaign. Make wearing a mask scary again. When someone sees you wearing a mask, you want to see the fear. So here's the thing. Many big cities such as Los Angeles will not have trick-or-treating this year. Sad, huh? But you can still have fun. Make wearing a mask scary again. Make a mask and show the world what you have done. Post a link in the comments below and we will vote for our favorites. Meanwhile, I made my own. Here's the mask. I gathered all possible materials for a prototype making session. Initially, I wanted a metal exoskeleton, so I molded wires on the contours of my face. I soldered them to fit above the nose, but then I changed my mind. It was too time consuming. Then I marked and cut the cardboard patterns to guide me for the sizes and locations where the external wires would be soldered. So I welded them to the frame at the right locations. Next, I reinforced where I knew I wanted to have certain elements. Then I cut off those fume exhaust valves and I glued it to my frame so people could get scared of possible COVID being pushed out of those valves. After all, nowadays people only get scared of viruses, so let's give it to them. Then I brushed up on my sewing skills and I got a shark-colored fabric because people get scared of sharks. So I made a jaw and teeth because sharp teeth are just scary. Then I put a real mask underneath because you don't want to catch this COVID. You just want to scare other people with the threat that you could get it. After showing this mask to everyone, I noticed that they just get scared.
Fazer lá no Parque São Jorge. Hoje, 3 Mas fosse isso, gente. Tá na loja,
This mask is horrifyingly scary, isn't it? Happy Halloween, subscribe, stay on top of construction videos and explanations trying to make sense. Use science, psychology, reason, and a pinch of conspiracy theories when nothing else works. So we know you love conspiracy theories, don't you? Until next time, stay excellent with Explanation! Did you know that many government agencies like CIA and FBI follow us on YouTube? They also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, everywhere. They must like it. You will like it too. Follow us. Now, I'm going to trick or treating in the bank.